put out of there, didn't he? Number 5. And Graham Mays has come out. Recognise that style. Oh yes. Wheelie out there. Followed by number 3. Graham will let him by soon, I'm sure. I wonder if I understand that. But different classes. Oh yes, he slid round there, Graham. Slid round Graham to start number 3. Championship rider. It seems all throttle that one and spin the backside around. Is he going to go by now? He's picking the line from the outside. Has he got by him? He has. Zooms in a bit. Sedately comes over there. I think that could be Gary Freer there. There's Midland twosome over there, terrible threesome I should say. Number 31, sedately through, sedately round. 51 actually. See him pull over there, he knew it was a rider in a higher class and he pulled over. That's number 20 though, 21 and 20. 20 is Toby Morley, isn't it? Probably might be in different classes. Nice to see Toby back. Neil Sargent. Pardon. Watch it come out there. We've got about half a dozen here now. That's not at 6. Oh, he's got through him there. 1, 2, 14, 23. One more to come out. Just gone in. Now if he comes. Whee! He's out. 53. 57. Bike's going to make a lot of noise. One in the distance. If I do that, I might make it fuzzy. What's he? 58, sedately through. We've got several coming through the wood here now. Oh, I thought he might come off for a minute. He spent a long time down there. Number 19. 119's riding partner number 1. Lewis Bond. Lewis Bond, number 1. 49. There's Lewis riding with Adam Ransom this year because Mark Chapman's doing something else today. 62. There's 4 of them here close together. Is that M for Marshall? 27. No. 50 something. 63. 30's been held up. Pushing him on his back wheel. Takes the outside, but he can't get by him because he's got the line. Get the camera straight. He's by him now. You take the outside and you get by him. I couldn't see his number, but he certainly squared it there. There's 4 coming, and there might be a 5th one as well, and a 6th one. Come. It's the first of the 2. Second and two, yeah. Swing round, if I get Neil, that's my guide where I should be. Change the battery. Good. Right. I drain this right to the end, I'll try to change it now. Delicately doing that. Oh, still Roper, number 10. Still Roper, the shipment shot. Number 9. That's it. Change battery. Tootling round. There's some more come I could see. I went there quickly, wasn't sure. There they come now. 3 of them battling here. Very sedate, number 18. Swing round. Oh! He came off better. There's a 4th one that appeared since. There's some more I can hear to the left of me. The marshal's coming through. This one's coming through sedately. Could have come, yeah. Oh, he's come a different line completely. I wasn't observing that. Look at that. '21. Keep the camera up straight. Come on, zoom. Zoom, zoom, zoom. We got number 50. Yeah. I can hear him. A lot of noise, that one. That's the Kobe Morley, if that's number 20. It is number 20, it could be Kobe. Still Roper, he's round again already. Quite near to his home, this place. About a couple of villages away he lives. A couple of parishes. I think I've had a spot of rain there. Rider then, number 1 going through is Lewis Bond. Will he get by him? He did get by him there. I think the rider let him through, knew it was Lewis. A higher class rider. Or a rider in a higher class. So he's leaping out. No. Not so bad. .43, watch him go. Oh, there's several coming up here now. Back at them. Probably about 8 or 9 or 10 even. 25's coming through. He's a faster rider, but we've got our number 11 coming through, which he's past him there. How they're going to come out, I don't know. R25's past them all, and number 11's right on the tail there, but there's another championship rider there. Oh, a bit awkward out there. Watch him in the distance. Yes, I think he's by them all. Number 8. He's going on the inside there. He's nipped in there. Oh, he nipped in there a treat there. He could have got the stake and could have come off work. Number 12. And through they come. Quick flashback, I know it's quick. Number 4. Matthew Smith is that. 24. Number 93. 93. Number 10, Phil Roper. 93. What was the number? Is it 193? Can't be that. Number 9 coming on the outside. He's pushed there. Great piece of riding, really. Championship class rider. Well, I think they are. Could be expert. Number 3. Riding through there. I'll swing back. I won't. Look, a barrel drop there. Could be Philip overdoing it, overcooking it. For the camera, thank you, Phil. Pretty sure, was it Peter? Probably Peter. I don't know. Well, could be one or the other, or neither. Graham Mays. Watch him go through it here. Followed by number 7, which I think is a championship rider. Party there, Graham. Now, will he concede to him? He will if he needs to. Number 38. Oh, it might be the one on the 85 cc bike. Bit of a wheelie for number 18. Brakes there, locking up a bit. No, get it right, he's through. Neil Sargent's just ridden behind me and he drives by. I've got a trial coming up here very soon. I've got a very good landowner, which is nice to hear. And they appreciate him. Or them if it's landowners. It's a very good base Leadlands Motorcycle Club event this is. Oh, bit of a twitch. You might be bird watching because you'll be a twitcher then. That's the Marshall.